Hi everyone, I am so excited that I just had to make a quick little video to tell you that we have crossed the 10% line with this Indiegogo campaign. Now, when I say crossed, I mean, we're well past it. It's 12%. Still long way to go, 88% to reach the funding goal, but I wanted to thank each and every one of you who've already joined in, and some I can't thank by name because you asked me not to, so I will call you anonymous, but for everyone else, let me call you out by name and thank you very much because you are help making this possible. So, starting with number 19, Glenn Wilds Jr. from Victory Church, Quarryville. By the way, I'll do these every 20 people or 10%, give or take. Next is Mark Apple, then Lucas Daly, Anonymous, Randy Wilkins, Justin Curry, Nathan Patton, Anonymous, David Welch from California, not to be confused with my friend David Welch from Indianapolis. Number 10, Kevin Hamilton. Number 9, Daniel Powell. Number 8, Eric Prusia. Number 7, Will Deloach. Number 6, Santiago Castro. Number 5, Anonymous. Number 4, Steve Granlund. Number 3, Justin Shields. Number 2, Robert Dobbs. And the first person to purchase a Pro6 Keyboard Skin, Burt. So thank you each and every one of you for helping to make this possible, not only for your church, but for churches around the world. Quite literally, I've got someone from Australia who's joined, and a couple of people from the UK that are thinking about hopping on. So all over the world need to use the keyboard skin so they can do keyboard shortcuts and maximize their time with ProPresenter and learn quite a bit. I know I learned a ton. So if you want to share this campaign, remember it's TDM.fyi/Pro6 Skin. That's PRO, the number 6, SKIN. TDM.fyi/Pro6 Skin. And that will share the campaign and enable me to maybe make other designs, maybe one with the extended keyboard, maybe one for Windows. We don't know, but if this is a success, I'll certainly improve and go on from there. Hope that helps, and thanks for watching this fun little update.